Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this time, we would like going to presentation about present continuous tense. Before it started, let we introduce ourselves. My name is Septi Trulandari as moderator and presentator, and my friends.
My name is Gayung Anggitantri as presentator.
My name is Andi Wirda Ramadhani as presentator.
My name is Yogi Prasetyo as presentator.
Next.
My name is Muhammad Nur Hidayah as presentator.
Okay, we started the presentation, which will first be explained by Yogi Prasetyo.
Thank you, moderator. Present continuous tense. Tenses form used to express that an action is taking place for a certain time in the present time. This form indicates that the action occurred before, during, and continues after time or other action. The present continuous tense split into four. First, we can use to explain the idea that something is happening now at this moment. Second, we can use to express a longer action not at this moment but in progress. Third, we can use to indicate that something will or will not happen in the near future. Fourth, we can use the tenses with always, constantly, forever to describe the idea that something often happens in a negative sense. To form a present continuous tense, we must apply the formula be plus present participle ing to the main verb. There are three forms of the present continuous tense, namely positive tense, negative tense, and interrogative. Namely positive form, negative form, and interrogative form. Next will be explained by my friend Gayung Anggitantri.
I am going to describe the present continuous tense of the positive form. The following is the formula or pattern of the positive present continuous tense. Subject plus to be am is are plus verb 1 plus verb ing plus complement. I am used for the subject I, is used for the subject he, she, it, are used for the subject you, we, they. Example, number 1, I am reading a book. Number 2, she is drawing a picture. Number 3, they are playing football. Next will be explained by my friend Muhammad Nur Hidayah.
Okay, I will explain about present continuous tense negative. In present continuous tense negative, used to describe a condition that is not practiced now or at this time. The formula of present continuous tense negative, subject to be plus not, verb in complement. In subject, any I, you, they, we, she, he, it. And to be for I is I am. Next, to be for you, we, they is are not, or you are not for you, we are not for we, they are not for they. And for subject, she, he, it, we can use is not, or she's not for she, he's not for he, and it's not for it. To make we understand, we can see example. Number 1, I am not doing it. 2, she is not coming. And 3, they are not sleeping. Next will be explained by my friend is Andi Irdara Madani.
I would like to explain about present continuous tense interrogative. Present continuous tense interrogative, there are two kinds of from question. The first, interrogative yes no question. For yes no answer, just put to be followed by subject and verb plus ing at the beginning the sentence. The formula is to be plus subject plus verb plus ing plus complement. Used to subject I, are used to subject you, we, they, and is used to subject she, he, it. Example, number 1, are you going to a new school? Number 2, is she wearing a hat? The second, interrogative, WH question. For yes, no answer, just put WH question before to be followed verb plus ing at the beginning of the sentence. The formula is WH question plus to be plus subject plus verb plus ing plus complement. Example, number 1, what are you doing? Number 2, where is she going? Next will be explained by my friend Septi Triwulandari.
Verbs that are not used in the present continuous tense. Some verbs are not normally used in the present continuous tense. This is because the verb denotes a state or situation that we do not expect to change and does not describe action or action. These verbs are better known as static verb. Here an example of a static verb. A. Verb that denote feeling and emotion, such as love, prefer, hate, like, appreciate, want, and dislike. Example, I prefer tea than coffee. B. Verb that indicate the use of the senses, such as hear, taste, smell, see. Example, the cake tastes delicious. C. Verb that exemplify knowledge, opinion, and belief, such as think, believe, understand, know, and recognize. Example, I believe in his opinion. D. A verb that denotes ownership, such as own, have, possess, and belong. Example, the car belonged to that bulky guy. E. Other static verbs, such as seem, be, exercise, need, and cause. Example, plant need the sun to survive. Next. Example of present continuous tense from pre-test question is number 1, a technician is managing the palm oil processing. Number 2, several programs of my office are declining by the OJK, that because office income itself is decreasing since last year. Number 3, we are going to write some sentences that the purpose is to emphasize the frequency of an action. Number 4, When the moon is rising tonight, my children and their friends will come out black together. Number 5, my neighbor is triming his buses right now and can come over for a chat. Number 6, I am planning a surprise birthday party for my son, and I'm going to secretly invite his friends from school. We know that enough about presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.